Did you know 70% of parents find IEP goals confusing? Let's break it down together. Start with the SMART framework. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This makes goals clear and trackable. Next, use baseline data to set a strong foundation. Focus on skills, not tasks. Think, solve word problems, not complete worksheets. Make goals observable with action verbs like identify or solve. Define clear criteria for success, like accuracy percentages. Specify conditions under which the student will perform, and make goals functional for real-life skills. Break complex goals into short-term objectives and align them with the general curriculum. Finally, collaborate with the IEP team for well-rounded goals. Follow these steps, and your IEP goals will be strong, clear, and effective. Now that we've mastered the art of creating effective IEP goals, it's time to bring it all together. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Collaboration with teachers, specialists, and most importantly, your child is key to success. Your role as a parent or educator is crucial. Advocate, communicate, and celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory, and together we can turn challenges into triumphs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.